everyone! Today is the day. Oh, I just got so distracted because there is a man cleaning the windows and it really made me jump. Today we have the lorry coming in literally 5 to 10 minutes. Let's see if they're late. They will be driving all of our apartments, all of Rich's apartment. We scooped up and moved it across to my apartment in Dubai. So I'm going to give you a quick look at what my apartment currently looks like. And then the people today are going to put it in the lorry, drive it to the UAE-Saudi border, through Saudi, into Qatar and onto Doha to our new apartment. It should take around 5 to 15 days. I'm just praying it doesn't get delayed and it can get there as soon as possible. And then we've got 1 month's free storage the other side, just in case there are any issues. So I thought I'd bring you with me. This is definitely our first time moving from Dubai to Doha, and I thought it might be helpful for anyone else who might well be moving in the future. Okay, so this is what the room currently, this poor man on my vlog. I have been packing, so ignore that I've got some stuff that obviously wouldn't be in its regular place. This is my kitchen, and then I've got this little shoe cupboard. We have in here a laundry cupboard. All of my white goods, like the washing machine, the fridge, the oven, they are all actually staying because the new tenant bought them from me, which was super handy. And then this is my shower room. And then I have already taken my sheets off, but this was my bedroom. And this right here is all of Rich's things that he's had in here since we moved everything from his to mine. I've also got a few bits around here, like my music stand. Most of the wardrobe we have ended up taking on the plane, just in case there's any delays. It's just so crazy to think that I'm leaving this country after 10 years. Like, what a roller coaster. Where's my makeup? This is the only thing, like, we're moving. I cannot find anything that I need. But yeah, hope that you enjoy all the shenanigans of today. I'm gonna do my makeup and then hopefully they'll be here. Okay, I feel ready for the day now. I've got some makeup on and just brushed my hair out, so feeling better. The company are nearly 10 minutes late. This is all my pack stuff for the plane. I haven't actually closed the suitcases because if there's anything else that I need today as we're packing to put in, I wanted to make sure that I could just quickly slot them in. And then I'll worry about the weight after and purchase the extra weight that I need for the plane. We will pop you here. I'm having a bit of a stress out because I just went to find my documents folder and I can't find it anywhere. And now I'm thinking, I did fly to Qatar last week and I took some stuff, and I wonder if that's something I put in Rich's. But he's at work right now, so he's not gonna reply for a little bit. I hope that's one of the things that I took. They arrived. Only 50 minutes late. Started on this area. Okay, so I just wanted to give you an update. This is what outside of my apartment currently looks like. And then we have 2 members of the team working inside. Got this gentleman working on the kitchen. He's already done a lot of the Tupperware. He's doing glasses and the ceramics right now. The rug is rolled up. We've got 1 2-seater sofa that's packaged away. And now we're working on the 3-seater, I'm guessing. When we get to Qatar, we need to give that a good clean. And then we haven't really started in here. I've kind of been packing some last bits, but it's still not being worked on. These guys are so efficient. Oh, this is not ideal. I'll be here spending the next 5 minutes clearing this up. Okay, we're getting that. We've got these boxes here. Got multiple boxes still in there, and then got the rug wrapped up. We've got all of these boxes here, and these lads are doing a great job. Got the shade from on the lamp in the middle of the table. My painting, I don't know how they're gonna wrap that up. And this just seems to be like the anyone can put anything in here trunk. So crazy looking back at all the fun Dubai memories. Batteries are actually something that we can't take, so I need to figure out if they're allowed on the plane, and if so, am I allowed that many batteries? We're getting there. Now started on the bedroom, and we had previously packed all of this, but they've just told me that these actually need to go in boxes as well. So this one, for example, will get put in a box. One thing we didn't know when we first packed up Rich's apartment and brought his stuff down to Dubai was that you're not allowed to take food on the lorry. So we packed those boxes, half food, half thing. So I just had to reopen all of the boxes and dig out the stuff that we can take. And now I feel so bad because there is so much food that, like, there's more. I've already chopped like 2 big bin liners away. I just feel like it's all going to waste, but of course because it's like open, I don't feel like we can salvage any of it. We are really getting there, and look at all these boxes. Starting to look a bit clearer in the bedroom now. This is the update on inside. It's starting to sound really echoey. All the stuff that we have at the moment, there's just like endless boxes. My stuff ready to go in the car. Now we're going in for this beautiful piece. I still am just in love with this. Okay, we've got a little pizza situation set up for everyone. Beef brisket, a margarita, and a pepperoni. Right, so everyone is fed, watered, thank goodness, because they haven't stopped, bless them. And now we've got the painter here. So he's going to start on the empty room. So the customary in Dubai is when you move out, also don't mind this tea stain that I caused earlier. When you move out, you repaint everything so it all looks lovely and clean. And where I've had pictures on the wall, he's just going through and filling them in. Another item that we're not allowed to take is medication. So I'm just going to go through all this box. I have not touched this in months and try and get out all the medication. Do you like my purple sink? This is what happens when you try and get rid of all the purple shampoo. Okay, I can't lie. I kind of feel a little bit done with this now. So the team at OCS have written everything about what all of our stuff is. It's beginning. Oh my goodness, I feel exhausted and I can't even imagine how these guys feel because they're the ones who have done the main work. And we are done. Oh my, it feels so weird and so surreal to be like here and it's empty and my voice is so echoey, right? This was my room. Look at this. It needs a very good clean out there. It's gonna have a full-on clean tomorrow. So this was my bedroom. This was my bathroom, my laundry room. So these are now all empty, which is crazy. It's just an empty room, but thank you for catching up with me today. So see you in the next one.